So when we're talking about monitoring, we're talking about two things. First of all, speakers that the sound actually comes out of, and headphones. So both are very important because you need the headphones for recording. If you're going to be recording your vocal, acoustic guitar, any kind of source, really, you want to have that isolation and you want to hear exactly what's going on. So headphones are really important. And again, the market is saturated, okay? So there's so much competition these days and prices are really amazing. You can get some amazing headphones at really good prices. AKG makes some really nice headphones, really, really good. Bear Dynamic are really good. There's quite a few brands out there. So check it out, see which ones are comfortable. Comfort is very important, especially if you're gonna be recording for a lengthy period. You want that comfort. You don't wanna be sweaty and your hair all tight. So wear them, make sure they're comfortable and the sound is good and right, and go for it. Now for monitors, there's a humongous selection of monitors, okay? I've got Focals. I love Focals. Focal has an incredible range. They're a bit on the higher end price-wise, but there's a lot of affordable monitors that sound amazing. KRK are incredible monitors. They make a huge range of monitors. A lot of pros use KRKs, and they're not very heavily priced, okay? Mackie make very good monitors as well. Alesis, whatever it is, they make really good monitors too. There's a lot on the market. These would be powered monitors, okay? So you'd go from your audio interface, straight out of the outputs from the back, right into the monitors, and you're good to go. Plug and play. That's it. Very simple. You don't need an external amplifier because they got pre-built amplifiers. So they're basically powered internally.